few days ago we got a pretty ridiculous rainstorm, and now my entire track is ruined. So I gotta rebuild this whole thing. Mostly rain ruts, water, mud, fun stuff. My track, it's rideable, but it's not very good right now. So I figured my channel, the most views that it's been getting are on my track building videos. So screw it, I'm gonna make a rebuilding track video too. So if you're new here, subscribe. You never know, I might make some more of these videos. I race some nationals, you know, stay up to date with what I'm doing. Like the video, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, well, I finished a little bit of the track. I got like a corner and a jump done, because I don't know why I started on that jump, but I did. But I had to make a little trench so that puddle could drain. And so I kind of messed up my landing as I was making the trench. So when that whole puddle's done, I gotta go back and fix it. But for now, I think I'm just gonna do the rollers that are right over there. You can't see them. And then it goes left, and then it's these like weird little rollers. And I think I wanna change that to like 2 kind of bigger rollers that maybe you could double, and then maybe take some of the dirt and make the tabletop that's after it a little bigger. So I think while this is draining, I think that's what I'm gonna go work on. So yeah, that's next. Okay, so done with that. Done with that. Not sure that I built that thing right. It's a little bigger than I was expecting to build it. I was originally gonna do like 2 rollers, but then as I was building it, I was like, this might be cool to make like a little triple step down thing. And then as I'm looking at it, the face doesn't look steep enough. Obviously you can't see the face right now. You can see the landings, but just trust me, it doesn't seem steep enough. And then the rollers, normally I back drag them because I'm not the best at building rollers, so they're not the smoothest things in the world. I mean, they definitely work, but for today, I don't know, I guess I will try to do the jump and see what happens. Probably too mellow, but I guess we'll find out. But I don't have much longer today that I can work, so I'm just gonna fix just a couple things. The puddle didn't drain very much, so I'm just gonna let it keep going. And then I will be back out either tomorrow or the next day. So you'll see the GoPro of me just fixing that little section, and then I'll see you in a couple days. All right, well, it's been a couple days. Obviously I'm back out. I did, real quick, just do some adjustments to this thing because I felt like the landing was a bit too much because this jump's pretty big. So, and it also, I don't feel has a steep enough face, so I wanted to make the landing kind of mellow in case it's super sketchy. So I just did that real quick this morning before I started this video, but now I gotta fix the rest of the sand because it's still pretty jacked up, and we got another rainstorm, so we got a couple puddles that formed again. So that's on the docket for right now, and then I'll fix the rest of the stuff up here. But I'm just since this is all kind of spread out and it's kind of fast, it's just gonna be all video from inside the Dozer. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do right now. Sand is done. I also fixed the little trench that I made and both of the muddy corners from the rain. So all that's left in the Dozer is to fix these 2 jumps, hopefully before we get rained on. But I also hope we get rained on, because that would be very nice if I don't have to put any water on the track. So I'm not gonna leave the camera out and do a time lapse with that just in case it does start raining. So again, it's just gonna be in the Dozer fixing these 2 jumps. That's the last thing I have to do. All right. Okay, well, it started raining, so I came back in, but I was actually done with the dozer anyways, so it was perfect timing. I was gonna do a little bit more because I was gonna water, but it's raining, so I don't think I have to do that. Hopefully, see in the morning. Might water in the morning. And then I was also gonna disc, but I kind of thought about it and I went and looked at the track and it's super soft right now, and I think it's because all the moisture we've gotten. It's kind of expanded the dirt, and then we've gotten a little bit less, so it's contracted back, and it's really fluffy. So I think that'll rut up better than if I disked it, because when I disc, if there's not enough moisture in the track, it just kind of gets sand berms. If you've seen some of my other videos, you might have seen that when it's dry, it's just kind of like these little berms everywhere instead of ruts. So I think it'll rut up better if I just leave it alone. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna ride tomorrow, and I'll be riding the 450, and I'll wear a GoPro, and I'll put that video up at the same time as this one. And yeah, I wanna ride the 450 instead of my practice 250, the stock bike, because when I've been going to the nationals on this thing, on my race bike, it's so much faster than that stock bike, especially when we're at sea level, because we're at 7,000 feet here. So that stock 250 is a turd. It's not very fast. So I've been getting more benefit riding the 450 than I have my 250. So I'm gonna do that again. But like I said, I'll upload a video of that, the GoPro. And then just as an update, I'm actually racing Budds Creek. So I thought Millville was my last national, but it's not. I'm gonna go race Budds Creek, and then there's possibility I might race Indiana too. I have to decide in the next few days. So so hopefully I can make it to the mains in that one, because the last three have been really close. I've been 46th, 46th, 47th. So if I could just make it into one of these, would be awesome. It would be big deal. Hope you liked this one. If you did, subscribe, like the video, watch some of my others, watch my future ones. And hopefully I can keep figuring out stuff to make, because after the season's over, I don't know how much riding I'll be doing. So I'll try to figure out something. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and hope you enjoyed. Bye.